Welcome back, kids! Last time, we learned how to count from 0 to 10.
Let us practice first. Count with me. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Very good, kids! Can you count how many cars are here? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 cars. Great job!
What about the notebooks on the table? How many are there? Let's check your answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9! There are 9 notebooks. Congratulations! You now know how to count from 0 to 10.
It's now time to level up. So what comes after 10? Well, recite it with me. It's 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Let's do that again. That's 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Awesome! Can you do it by yourself this time? Let's start.
Wow, that's cool! Let's try this time to count from 0 to 20. Remember our past lesson? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Perfect! What number is this? Right, 1. What about this? Nice! It's 11.
What number is this? Correct! It is 14. How about this? Good job! 17. How about this one? Yes! It is 20. You are all doing a great job. We can now count objects.
How many apples are there now? Let's see if you are correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That's 14 apples. What about the oranges? What is your answer? Well, let's see if you got it correctly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. There are 18 oranges.
Very good, kids. Let's review again our numbers from 0 to 20. Let's begin counting from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Fantastic! Congratulations, kids! See you again next time.